Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to talk about my experience with the iPhone 15, which I bought for 800
Yes!
euros. I've been using it for a month now, and I want to share why I think it's worth every cent. Before switching to the iPhone 15, I was using the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. It was a fantastic phone, fast, reliable, and packed with features. But after a month with the iPhone 15, I can confidently say the upgrade was totally worth it. Here's why. The iPhone 15 is powered by Apple's latest A17 Bionic chip. This makes it incredibly fast and responsive, whether I'm multitasking, gaming, or editing videos. The performance boost is noticeable. Apps open instantly, and everything just feels smoother. The camera system on the iPhone 15 is phenomenal. With its advanced sensor and improved low-light capabilities, I can capture stunning photos and videos in any condition. The photos are sharper, more vibrant, and the Pro RAW feature gives me more control over my shots. The iPhone 15's OLED display is simply gorgeous. The colors are rich and true to life, and the higher brightness levels make it easy to use even in direct sunlight. Watching videos and playing games is a more immersive experience thanks to this high-quality display. Apple's attention to detail in the design and build quality of the iPhone 15 is unmatched. The phone feels premium in hand, with its sleek glass and aluminum body. It's also incredibly durable, thanks to the ceramic shield front cover. The iPhone 15 feels refined and sturdy, embodying a perfect blend of form and function. After a month of using the iPhone 15, I can confidently say that it's a fantastic investment. The performance, camera quality, display, build quality, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem make it worth the 800 euros I spent. The iPhone 15 has elevated my smartphone experience to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.